ready to cash flow my life. Woo! I learned so much from the Cash for Your Life 3-day boot camp. Everything. It was so experimental in a way. It was so much fun. I learned so much. Thank you, Mom, for giving me the free ticket. I learned so much. I had such a fun experience from it. I am officially a really tiny entrepreneur, and it's just crazy to see myself in this position, and I'm just so happy to be here. I would definitely recommend this to anyone of any age who wants to come. It's just an amazing experience. You will learn so much no matter what position you're in. You can have so many opportunities and things that you can learn from. It's just amazing. I definitely recommend anyone to come.